Hello children, very good morning to all. Welcome to today's session. In the previous session, what we had discussed, we had discussed about the great person of C.V. Raman. Okay, and he is one of the greatest scientists, and he is the first scientist of our India. And today, once again, okay, we are very happy to start our B reading. It changed. Okay, can you see the chart? Can you see? The lesson is it changed. Okay, so this lesson is completely about a girl. Okay, she is telling about about scientists, biologists, and archaeologists, and also geologists. Okay, who are these all? These are the person who find out the things, who do the things. They will do the research in things in the world. Okay, the scientists, what they do, they will invest. They will invest. Okay, invest. Okay, they'll research maybe medicine or maybe some new method, technology. They will research. And biologists, what they do, they will research on the plants or animals. And geologists, what they do, they will they will dig. Okay, they will find. They will research on the old things. Okay, old things means, for example, things like the things that are there under the earth and the things that are found when they are digging, all these things. And archaeologists are, these are about the constructions. Okay, okay, this is the part we are going to know. And being all this one, what is happening to the students, and this is the point going to see. Okay, this is a small introduction about the it change. What? Okay, the lesson itself is giving the word it change. What the change the girl want, and what is what the changes are taking in our earth. Let's see. So all of you take page number 35. All of you take page number 35. Before starting our today's session, I insist you that start the class book. Keep a separate notes for the class book. I'll start with the unit 1 A, B, C readings. Okay, and also start after finishing that. Start unit 2nd A reading and finish the A reading and B reading, because homework is a part of your way. That is part of daily work. But this class work you can finish slowly. Take the time, but don't delay. But finish it on time. Okay, finish your class work also as soon as it is possible. And many of you are doing your homework good, but remaining students are not at all performing. Please try to do your homework regularly. Okay, children? Yeah. So, all of you take page number 35, and this poem was written by Imma Grossi. Okay, and he is one of the writer from from England, and he wrote many poems. We'll know about him in further classes. In 8th and 9th class, we'll know about him, and this is a very beautiful story. Yes. And you can see this picture. So you can found a mother. She is in the kitchen, and the daughter came to her, and she is telling about she wants some change in her education. So what change she want and what happened? Let us see. So first, I will going to hymn the poem. Okay, tune the poem. Just listen it. Mom, I don't want to go to school today, 'cause I fear our world is rinky day. Mom, I don't want to go to school today, 'cause I fear our world is in decay. I feel my teachers are the pot of all. I feel my teachers are the pot of all. I am the only one who sees the road. I am the only one who sees the road. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it changes quantum leap. Biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it changes the way to go. Zoologists are finding cracks on earth, saying it changing its birth. Archaeologists are digging up the fossils and bones, saying it changes time for clone. As scientists are cloning me with guns. Yes, scientists are causing with their concern, giving us kids too much to learn. Yeah. Okay, just I tried a small tune for you for this poem. I hope it is quite good. Okay, yeah, so let's read it. Okay, what is the lesson name? It's change. Yeah, let's see the first poem. Mom, I don't want to go to school today cause I fear our world is in decay. What she is telling, she is going to her mother, and she was the mother where she is. Okay, she is in the kitchen. The girl went to her and saying, okay, Mom, today I don't want to go to school today. Why? Because our world is in decay. What is happening? Okay, Amma, I don't want to go to school today because the world is in decay. What is the meaning of decay? Okay, what is the meaning of decay? Decay means it is in trouble. Okay, what is happening we don't know. Okay, and I am fearing why our world is going to happen, something going to happen. Okay, why she was telling these words? Let's see in the next poem. I feel my teachers are part of the whole. I am the only one who sees through the root. Okay, only my teachers are part of the pot. Okay, what is there? Okay, my teachers are just leading us and teaching us and giving knowledge. But I am the only one who sees the root. Okay, they are telling the lessons and they are giving the knowledge. But I am the one who has to see the world. What is happening? I has to face the world. Okay, what she is telling? Amma, నేను స్కూల్ కి వెళ్ళను ఈ రోజు ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఈ మన ప్రపంచాన్ని ఈ భూమిని చూసినందుకు చాలా భయం వేస్తుందని చెప్పింది అనమాట. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే నాకు మా ఉపాధ్యాయులు వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు మాకు ఎంతో జ్ఞానం ఇస్తున్నారు. కానీ ఈ ప్రపంచాన్ని రేపు పొద్దున ఈ ప్రపంచాన్ని నేనే ఎదుర్కోవాలి. వాళ్ళు నా వెనక ఉండరు. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన జ్ఞానంతో నేను ఈ యొక్క ప్రపంచాన్ని నేను ఎదుర్కోవాలి. ఓకే, స్పెషల్లీ I feel my teachers are just giving the knowledge and they are helping us me to go ahead. But I am the one who has to face this world. Okay, and I have to see what is happening and I have to face it. And see what is happening. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change and quantum leap. What they are doing, scientists? They are cloning. They are doing research on the pigs and sheep and saying it change. Okay, because when we want to do any research or any medicine, what they will do? First they will do research on the animals. Then only they will, when it is successful on the humans, then only they give to the, when it is successful on the animals, then only they will give to the humans. So what they are doing, whenever they find out any medicine, first they will give that injection or whatever the medicine they are the invention, whatever the medicine they are doing, they will first to whom they will do with the animal, then only they will do to the humans. So they say what happened? It is a quantum leap. Okay, it will be helpful. Whatever the scientists they saying, okay, we are doing good. We are giving a lot of medicine and we are very happy to. Okay, see for example, whatever medicine the scientists are doing or whatever invention what they are doing. Okay, so that all infect on the students because. What happened? The inventions, whatever they are doing, that should be studied by the students. Because when we are studying, we are knowing about it and we will be very knowledge. So because day by day, what happened? Day by day, what is happening? The things are going to be developed. It is all going on be developing. What happened? That all the burden will be coming to the students that they have to study. It is good to study, but having all this impact of this research on inventions, all these things are coming on the head of the students to know about it. And she was telling me this one because all these inventions and all their research, it is all burden to all the students. And see what is next is saying. Biologists are making stumps and cells growing, saying it changes the way to grow. And what the biologists are doing, they are making stumps to grow. Okay, they are getting some new methods to harvest the things to get some growth. Okay, in olden days what happened? To one seed it must do grow in the mud and it has to get plant. It takes many days. But nowadays what happens, being lot of chemicals and lot of biologists, when they're doing lot of research and they're getting new chemicals, and if they keep the seed in the land, the plant is coming in within 1 or 2 days. But whereas in olden days it used to take weeks or some days. But now within 1 day or 2 days the plants are coming out. Okay, the seeds are very coming out. See, that's why what he is telling, these biologists are finding lot of chemicals and they are saying stems to grow. The plants are growing very speed, and also saying it is very easy to get the plants and get the vegetables. That's why we get the vegetables and fruits. We are saying no hybrid fruits, hybrid vegetables, because these are the vegetables and fruits we are getting very soon. Within no time we are getting this all. Okay, so being this, what happened? Being this, all this, our health also spoiling because of this. For example, in olden days they used to keep the paddy. They used to keep. They keep the paddy in the month of June. It used to come by the month of January. But now what happened? If they keep in the month of May or June, it is coming only before December or November. It is coming. What happened? Being using lot of pesticides or chemicals. Okay, the whatever harvest what they are doing, it is coming very close. It is coming very yearly. They are keeping two harvest. Okay, 2 times they are keeping the paddy. They used to keep only one. But nowadays, being this all chemicals and being this geologists are doing lot of research on the plants and getting lot of medicine to have a very speed grow in the plant. So being these things are happening, and that's why we are only getting hybrid fruits and hybrid vegetables, and these we are losing our health too. And what's next? Geologists are finding cracks on Earth and saying it changed, predicating its birth. And what the geologists do? They will research on the Earth. Okay, they will dig and they'll find out the olden things and any cracks are there and what is going. These all find out that any earthquake is going to happen, and they will find out. They will know before when the Earth is going to be cracked and what happened and what is the situation of Earth. Okay, they will find out, and what they are saying, oh, it's going on way. Okay, what they are saying, it is predicating its birth. They are saying it is predicating its birth. Okay, ఈ జియాలజీ వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ యొక్క భూకంపాలు ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి, వరదలు ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి, వాళ్ళు కనుక్కుంటారు అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ భూమి ఎందుకు ఇలా పగిలింది, ఎందుకు ఇలా జరిగింది. దే విల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ వై ద థింగ్స్ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఎర్త్ కేక్స్ అండ్ what floods and all. They will find out why these things are happening. They will find out. What the archaeologists are digging up falls and bones, saying it changed time to clones. These archaeologists, what they will do? They will dig underneath, and they will find, because when you are digging underneath, you will find sometimes you find plastic covers and old things. If you dig some more deeper, you will find bones of the animals and bones of the human beings you will find, and they will research on this skin. Okay, when they research on these bones and bones, what happened? They will identify the people, when they are, from which century they are, and the things from which year. They will find out all these things, and they say time for cloning means it's time for change, because things are going to be changed. Things are all taking a lot of change in the earth. So it's finally what the writer is saying. Yes, scientists are cloning me, great concern. Okay, yes, scientists are thinking about us, because the inventions or research what they are doing is for us only. But whatever inventions or whatever research they are doing, that all giving lot of burden. Okay, what says the last? Giving us kids too much to learn. Okay, what happened when all these scientists are doing a lot of research and inventions? What happened? It is very good to have research and inventions. But after all these things, what happened? This all is a burden to the students, because this has to be studied by the students. Why? When they study it and when they know about it, it is very helpful to them. But even though being all this one is making a lot of burden, this is the writer is saying that, okay, when the scientists, biologists, geologists, archaeologists, when they is finding out all the things and they are doing a lot of research in different things, okay, it is very good to students. But they are really good to, and they are very showing a lot of concern on us, because we are the future for the next generation. But even though it is good for us, but the things what they're doing, the research what they're doing, it is making lot of burden for us to learn, because what the inventions they are doing, the research they are doing, that all things we have to learn it. ఈ యొక్క శాస్త్రవేత్తలు ఓకే ఈ యొక్క సైంటిస్ట్ ఎవరైతే ఇలాంటి కనుక్కుంటారో ఎన్ని పరిశోధనలు చేస్తారో అవన్నీ మాకు చాలా ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడుతున్నాయి. కానీ వాటి వల్ల మాకు ఏమవుతుంది, మేము చదువుకునేటప్పుడు వాటి గురించి మేము చదువుకోవాల్సి అంటే మాకు చాలా చదువుకోవడం చాలా ఎక్కువైపోతుంది, మేము ఇవి చదవలేకపోతున్నాం అని చెప్పి ఈ యొక్క పోయం ద్వారా మనకు రైటర్ ఈ విధంగా తెలియజేస్తున్నాడు. ఏమని సైంటిస్ట్, జియాలజిస్ట్, బయాలజీ, ఆర్కాలజిస్ట్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఏం చేస్తారు, వివిధ రకాల ప్రయోగాలు చేస్తారు. అవన్నీ మాకు ఎంతో ఉపయోగకరమే. కానీ ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ యొక్క ప్రయోగాలు వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా చేస్తారో అవన్నీ మేము మళ్ళా చదవాల్సి వస్తుంది. దానివల్ల మాకు ఏమవుతుంది, చదువు అనేది మాకు చాలా ఎక్కువైపోతుంది, చదవలేకపోతున్నాము, చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. అందుకే నేను బడికి వెళ్దామా అని చెప్పి ఆ యొక్క పాప ఆ యొక్క తల్లికి చెప్తుంది. ఈ విధంగా మనకి ఈ యొక్క రైటర్ రచయిత ఈ యొక్క పోయిన తర్వాత ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు, పిల్లలకు చాలా ఈ యొక్క సైంటిస్ట్ ద్వారా పిల్లలకు చాలా చదువు అనేది చాలా ఎక్కువైపోతుంది, వాళ్ళు చదవలేకపోతున్నారని చెప్తారు. బట్ ఓకే అలా అని చెప్పి చదవకుండా ఉంటామా, లేదు అలా అని చెప్పి చదవాలి. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకున్నారు అదైతే మన కోసమే. ఓకే అది మొత్తం తెలుసుకోకపోయినా కొద్దిగా తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, that's why there is one proverb, don't learn off learning is always danger. Okay, if you learn fully, otherwise don't learn at all. Okay, so this is a small poem about a change. So what change she want? Okay, she want to have some changes in the education system. Okay, this writer is telling that he must have some changes in the education system. That's why when we are studying we used to have a lot of, but being the times are going, the years are running up, the lot of things have changed. The things change in the education system. When we are studying, our education is quite different, and now education is quite different from that year to this year. So don't worry, whatever you learn perfectly and learn completely. And I hope you understood the poem. And after the lesson, in the page 36, we have few glossaries are there, and the question answers. Okay, write first 1 to 5 questions. Okay, write 1 to 4 questions. Only write the 1 to 4 questions and write the glossary. Okay, and let's see reading in the next classes. I hope you all understood. And today's homework is read the lesson carefully and learn the glossary and write the meanings, because in the lesson there are a lot of new words are there. Okay, lot of new words are there: quantum, cloning, and biologist, geologist, archaeologist, cracks. Okay, stump, cell, quantum, predicating, digging, full. Okay, false, bones. Okay, kerns and those. So there are a lot of new words are there, and learn these new words and their meaning too. Okay, na? Thank you.